The wolf's breakfast. It's time for breakfast. The rabbit is hungry.
Look! Carrots! Ooh, I love carrots for breakfast. Oh, apples. I don't like apples. Ooh.
Oh, I like apples. And I'm very hungry.
The donkey has apples and carrots for breakfast.
Oh, here you are.
Oh, thank you. Look, a wolf.
Oh, does the wolf like carrots for breakfast?
No, she doesn't. She likes rabbits for breakfast.
Oh, no!
The wolf is hungry. The rabbit is scared.
Quick, climb under my hat.
Where are the rabbits? I'd like a rabbit for breakfast.
Can you see a rabbit here? Go away!
Oh, goodbye, wolf. Thank you.
You can eat your carrots now.
Oh.